Hey, what's up guys? This is gonna be an easy video. We have an Asus Zen Screen. This is a hybrid display, a portable hybrid display that you can use with your laptop. The screen is cracked and we're gonna fix that in this video. I'm gonna connect it to my iPad just to show you what happens. And we plug it in. Hopefully it's supposed to support PD power. Okay, it turns on. Driver. Okay, whatever it's saying there, guys. We can see the screen does turn on and it's cracked. All we need to do is fix this and send it back to the owner. We'll need some prying tools to get in there, and we'll close this up. Okay, and to pry this you'll need this tool. Super easy to use, just like that. And over here you need to go a little bit deep. Yes, just like that. Again, you want to be gentle because you don't want to crack the bezel. The bezel is actually what holds the screen in place with this Zen screen. It doesn't have any glue on the back, so here the bezel is off, and it's super easy, guys. Just like this. I'll flip it this way. Okay, flip it this way. That comes off, and we're just gonna go for this and disconnect. Okay, old display is out, and if you're ordering a new one, you just look at the code here and search for that code for this one. This is a 14-inch display, so we already ordered one to replace it. Okay, we've got our screen here, and we'll need a knife to open this. Okay, so in there we've got some tabs for you to stick it on, but in our user case we don't need this. And over here, let's get rid of the box. Okay, there we go. And this has a film on top of it, so we can remove that film after testing the display. Okay, let's test this. Super easy. It's supposed to go in this way, so we flip it this way and connect the display right here. Okay, and then we can plug it in and see what that message says. Make sure the cables are connected correctly and they go in all the way, otherwise you're gonna get some issues with the display. So just like that, let's connect that and confirm if it works. There we go, Asus, and we wait for it to detect. Your device does not support DP out mode. Please install the latest driver and try again. So we just remove this like that, and we place our bezels back on. Right there. Okay, so it does turn on. We've confirmed that works, and make sure all the bezels are in just like that. So we're gonna try and download some drivers and see if it works. Drivers here, I see Windows, Mac OS there at the bottom. Fingers crossed, guys. I think it's gonna work. Okay, that's done. Let's quit. Okay, quit and reopen. Yeah, I think it's working. Just like that. Woohoo! Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. One single driver and we're in. This is amazing, right? Okay, I'm gonna install it just like this. Drag it to this window. Okay, guys, works perfectly. No lags whatsoever. Let's see if we can watch a video. Perfect. Repaired and ready to be used. Let's increase the volume over here. Guys, I call this a win, a wrap, tested well, no issues in any of the bezels. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching this one.